Let's be honest. You're not unmotivated. You're burnt out. And no amount of hustle videos is gonna fix that. But here's the good news. You don't need more energy. You just need to spend it smarter. Here's how to stay productive, even when you're empty. Step 1. Reset your inputs. The first thing? Cut the noise, notifications, doom scrolling, endless tabs. They're draining your brain before you even start. Instead, feed it peace, silence, books, movement. Rest is fuel, not laziness. Step 2. Redesign the work. Big goals feel heavy, so shrink them. One small win, right now. Write a single sentence. Clean one corner. Make it so small, you can't fail. Every step you complete, you trick your brain into saying, "I'm back." Step 3. Rebuild momentum. Now do that small thing again. Motion creates motivation, not the other way around. Soon you're not crawling, you're flowing. You're not surviving, you're moving. Step 4. Clean your space. Your environment matters. A messy room creates a messy mind. Tidy space, sharp focus. Throw out what you don't need. Clear your desk. Make room to move. Clean space equals clean thoughts. Step 5. Get specific with tasks. Vague goals drain energy. Be productive means nothing to your brain. Instead, name the task. Start the task, not work on it. Say, open the doc. Write one sentence. Clarity kills procrastination. Step 6. Time box everything. Your brain hates open-ended work. That's how you end up scrolling for 2 hours. So set a countdown. 20 minutes, full focus. When the clock is ticking, your mind stops drifting. You finally lock in. Step 7. Protect your energy. You only get so many good hours a day. Don't waste them on people, apps, or distractions that drain you. You don't need another plan. You need to stop running from the one you already have. You're tired because you keep switching directions. Pick one. Stick with it. Finish something. Nobody's gonna save you. You either level up or you stay stuck. You already know what to do. The hard part is actually doing it when no one's watching. Start now, before you waste another day.